So you have improved my skateboarding because you have given me the ability to be aware of what my body's doing,
Self-analysis. That's what that's called.
right? Have you been through specific clinics or training where somebody taught you that? That would be a really beneficial study module to have. And
Self-analysis is really important. Yeah, you're spot on.
self and the ability for our coaches to teach people that awareness so they can use the vocabulary that they can feel the vocabulary that the coach is using. You've started out by using lots of terms that I was unfamiliar with. So do snowboard coaches, and they just go whew, completely over me. If we could, number one, make the coaches aware of it, give them a common vocabulary, and then let them know how it affects the learning, and then teach them tricks for teaching their students body awareness quickly.
Yeah.
You only have a 1 hour private lesson. What are you going to do?
Yep, absolutely. And
there's a tremendous opportunity to improve all board sports just with that one bit of awareness in the coaching universe.
It's funny too, because it's a little bit better, right?
Yeah.
Versus teaching you the understanding to adjust yourself. And what I do with all of my students, I don't do Band-Aids. There are moments where a Band-Aid is appropriate, like, to overcome frustration or fear or something like that. Maybe it's a big maybe. And I don't use it very often, because what I'd rather do, if I have somebody who's afraid or frustrated or hoping to learn, I like to take them out of the environment, teach them everything they need to know, so that when they go back to the environment, they just go, oh yeah, I get it. That makes sense. So, why would, if you said to me, hey, I want to learn a 50-50, why would I go, all right, let's go try 50-50s? I'm not going to do that. I want to give you all the tools of awareness so you can feel everything that's going on in everything that has to happen in a 50-50 from front to back and back to front, so that you just go up there and go, yeah, no, I get it. You don't need to tell me how to do a 50-50. I already understand it. I feel it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Oh, wait, I did the 50-50 and I didn't like this little thing about it. So with my athletes, that's how it works. When they want to do a triple cork, for example, on a snowboard, or a backflip on a skateboard on mega ramp or whatever, like whatever the trick is, my mission isn't to go out there and just start practicing the trick. My mission is to make sure that they have every single fundamental mechanical piece, and they can feel it. They know when they're doing it. They know when they're not doing it. That way they can make a great decision as they attempt the trick.
Our goal is to help you learn how to skateboard and understand more about skateboarding. If this video helped you, be sure to hit us up in the comments below and tell us what you'd like us to focus on for our next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, and then subscribe to our channel and tell your friends all about us. If you'd like to learn more about the United States Skateboard Education Association, please visit www.ussea.us, where you can learn more about how to skate, learn more about helping others learn how to skate, and become a certified skateboard coach.